Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium, Unit 10. Which unit? Unit 10. What is the unit name? The unit name is The Great Stone Face, Part 2. The Great Stone Face, Part 2. I have explained the chapter, MCQs, short question answers. Now comes to the long question answers. Now see the first long question answer. What is the question? The question is, describe the life which Ernest led as an old man. His life, talking about his life. Whose life? Ernest, as an old man. So the answer start with here. In his old age, Ernest became very famous. When Ernest became an old man, he was very famous. And he was very wise too. He was very wise. Yet, his thoughts were not obscure. All sorts of people came from far and wide to see and talk to him. His thoughts were nobler. He was very noble man. And from the far away, from the distance, from the far place, many people came to this valley. Why? To meet and talk with the Ernest. Because he was very famous and very wise man. He spoke freely with open heart. Who? Ernest. Ernest talks to the people very freely and open heart. While talking to them, his face brightened. When Ernest talked with the other people, Ernest's face was brightened. After his day's work, when he completed his work in a day, what did he do? He would sit on his cottage door and read some book. He usually sit beside the cottage, means near the cottage, sit the door of the cottage and reads some books. Among them was a book of poems. There were so many books, but among them a book of poems. Ernest usually read it. Ernest read these poems with great interest. He liked to read the poems with great interest. While doing so, means while reading these poems, he often looked at the grey stone face. Sitting in his cottage door. While reading the poems, he usually looked where? Looked at the grey stone face. And said, what said? Oh, grey stone face. He said, is he not worthy of your likeness? Nobody is like your face. The face seemed to smile but did not answer. When Ernest see the grey stone face, he only smiled but didn't give any answer to the Ernest. So, students, this is the first question answer, long question answer. Now comes to the second. Describe the meeting of Ernest and the poet. Describe the meeting. When poet came to the valley of this village to meet whom? To meet the Ernest. So describe this meeting. What did they talk? What did they do? The poet do with the Ernest. Describe it. So answer is, one summer day, in a summer day, the poet arrived at Ernest's door. Who arrived? The poet. The poet arrived in the valley, but where? In the Ernest house, in his door. The poet found Ernest holding a book. What? Ernest holding a book in his hand. What? He took it? He had with his book. Which book? Poems book. And read. And looking where? Looking at the grey stone face. So the poet found that Ernest holding a book in his hand. In between his readings, he looked lovingly at the grey stone face. Who? The Ernest, while reading the books. In between, he looked where? He looked at the grey stone face. The two talked together. Two talk who? Poet and the Ernest. They were together talking. Ernest felt that the poet was very wise. While talking to the poet, who? Ernest. The Ernest thought that this poet was very wise. He imagined that the grey stone face was bending forward to listen to. While Ernest, talking to whom? Talking to poet. Ernest thought that the grey stone face was bending towards them and tried to listen them. They are talking. Ernest and the poet talks. He asked the poet who he was. Who? Ernest asked the poet who is he. Who was he? The poet told him that he was the author of the book in his hand. The poet told to Ernest that which book he had carried in his hand. I am the author of that book. I am the poet, author of the book, which in his hand. He hold it. At this, Ernest looked more closely at the poet's feature. The Ernest looked very close to the poet. He's talking, sees his features, how he was. This made him sad. By hearing his feature, make him sad. Then the poet said that he was not worthy of having the likeness of the grey stone face. Ernest thought that the poet's face looks like whom? Looks like the grey stone face. But the poet said that I am not like of the grey stone face. My face is not similar to the grey stone face. I was not worthy of having the likeness of the grey stone face. The poet said that. Whom? To the Ernest. After some time, the poet found that it was Ernest's face. Whose face? Ernest's face that had the likeness of the grey stone face. The poet said afterwards, after some time, what said? The grey stone face and the Ernest face, the both face looks like the same. The poet found that it was whom? It was the Ernest face that had the similar, means the likeness of the grey stone face. So students, this is the meeting between the earnest and the poet. I hope you understand about these two long question answers. And you must write these question answers in your notebook. Thank you for listening me.